this exploration, we navigate the intricacies of iCloud's functionality, particularly concerning the preservation of messages. We'll uncover whether iCloud extends its protective embrace to encompass messages, encompassing messages, SMS, and MS, within its routine backups. Part 1. Does iCloud back up messages? Can iCloud back up messages? Yes, iCloud has the capability to back up messages. Users can securely back up all their text messages provided they have ample iCloud storage space. Part 2. Does iCloud automatically back up text messages? By default, iCloud doesn't automatically back up your text messages. Instead, you must manually enable the Messages in iCloud feature for each iOS device. Part 3. What data does iCloud back up? App data, photos and videos, device settings, home screen and app organization, message, text SMS and messages, ringtones, visual voicemail, health data, HomeKit configuration, purchase history from Apple services like music, movies, TV shows, apps, and books. Part 4. How does iCloud backup work? iCloud stands as one of the most ingenious features of iOS devices, seamlessly connecting iOS and macOS ecosystems. Part 5. How to backup text messages on iPhone. 1. Backup iPhone text messages with iCloud. Go to Settings from your iPhone's home screen, tap on your name, and select iCloud. Toggle the switch next to Messages to enable iCloud backup for your messages. 2. Backup iPhone text messages using iTunes. Open the latest version of iTunes on your PC and connect your iPhone. Click on your iPhone icon in the top window once it's detected. Finally, select Backup Now to store all your messages on your computer. 3. Backup text messages or messages by Mac. On your Mac's Messages app, enable Messages in iCloud in Preferences. On your iPhone, in Settings Messages, choose Text Message Forwarding and select your Mac. 4. Backup iPhone text messages with Assistant for iOS. For those seeking to backup iPhone text to a computer without relying on iTunes or iCloud, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is an essential tool. Part 6. How to view text messages from iCloud. 1. How to view messages in iCloud from Mac, iPhone. Settings, your name, Loud, Messages enable. Mac's Messages. Login, click Preferences Accounts, enable Messages in iCloud. Mac syncs messages with iCloud. Duration varies. 2. How to view messages on iCloud from iPhone or iPad or iPod Touch. iPhone settings, tap your name, select iCloud. Toggle on Messages for syncing. Activating sync uploads messages. Access on another iOS device by signing in. Ensure an active internet connection for synchronization. Part 7. Does iCloud back up deleted text messages? Does iCloud automatically back up deleted text messages? The answer is contingent upon whether you've enabled message syncing on iCloud. Navigate to Settings, your name, Loud, to activate messages. Part 8. How to restore deleted messages from iCloud. 1. If you have an iCloud backup, in Settings, go to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode or Apple ID password when prompted. Wait for the erasure process to complete. Follow setup until Apps and Data page. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Log in with iCloud credentials. Select the preferred iCloud backup and wait for restoration. Part 9. How to recover deleted messages without iCloud. If you don't have an iCloud backup, or if you can't find the needed messages in your iCloud backup, we provide a complimentary solution. Mobikin Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Download and launch the software on your computer. Choose Recover from iOS device and connect your iPhone via USB. The tool will detect your iPhone automatically. Step 2. Once recognized, select Messages and click Start Scan. Shortly after, view the missing messages on your computer. Step 3. Choose the desired messages and click Recover to Computer . Restore them directly on your computer.